Today, we're at McMaster Design League's 2024 CAD Designathon. This is an event that students come to. They'll participate in different design problems. They'll get to 3D model, they get to prototype with 3D printers from 3D Printing Canada, and then they get to present their problems to judges and have a chance to win prizes.
I decided to join MDL because, I really love CAD and designing. I'm in mechanical engineering. So I really wanted a chance to kind of have some fun and have a concentrated design challenge that we can kind of come together with my friends and solve something that's gonna, help someone at the end of the day.
The reason why I would tell people to join our executive team is because I find that the best way to learn things is by teaching it yourself. It's more of a taste of kind of what life is like outside of engineering too that you can still get when you're in there.
Some of my favorite parts of events like the McMaster Design League CAD Designathon is just honestly seeing students get the opportunity to apply some of the skills that they learn in class. I know you always hear about these hackathons, for example, for people in software or programming disciplines, but this is really an opportunity for students in maybe more mechanical or design disciplines to really have that opportunity to really explore different fields of engineering and design.
So the reason I came out was there's an opportunity to earn a 3D or win a 3D printer, and that's the main motive driver.
I'd recommend to students to come to this event because they get to network with sponsors, learn new skills. We have access to a lot of resources such as prototyping and 3D printers from 3D Printing Canada. Honestly, you don't always get access to these types of things just in the classroom, so this is a really cool way to try something new. See if you also even like this field. Maybe if you're in first year engineering, you can also figure out maybe which discipline you'd be interested in as well.